So first off, I'd like to ask everyone out there, what do you use to manage and secure your devices today, right? So here's a poll. So please I'll take a minute here to get your feedback. Uh, what is it that your organization is doing you, across the endpoints in your environment, right? What management functionality do you have on those today? What capabilities and does your provider give you, right? So we'll cover a lot of those aspects today in our presentation. So let's see here. Let's click next. We didn't get any feedback. So first off, let's go through an overview, right? So today, in organizations, those users that have those endpoints, they're doing the work. They really, the move has gone to at least a hybrid work environment where users work sometimes at home, sometimes in an office. And with the explosion and growth of the amount of endpoints out in the environment, the amount of corporate data your users have access to, and that remote workforce, those traditional management functionalities of those endpoints has kind of shifted, right? There's a lot of data out kind of beyond that walled networked environment of yesteryear, if you will. And also, organizations are looking at reducing cost, right? In order to protect, the organization from threats, to protect those IT assets, you need visibility into those devices. Only when you know all the assets you have, how to properly secure those investments, and then you have to optimize for cost as well. Ivanti is your partner for securing and getting you through that cybersecurity journey, right? Securing networks, securing devices, securing applications, those users, and the data on those devices as well. So we power the Everywhere Workplace with great user experience as well. User experience is key. The user buy off on the solution, the user experience on that device. You have to have a good user experience. If they're constantly having issues, employee retention is paramount in most organizations, right? So let's look at Avanti Neurons for UEM and kind of talk a little bit about the zero trust security model, right? It's a big phrase used in IT and security today among organizations and across the landscape, right? The key aspects of zero trust. You have to have device trust, right? You have to be able to verify that the device is not compromised. You have to be able to verify that there's no exfiltration of data on that device. You also have to verify the user. The user is key, right? Verify the application on the device. So having data loss prevention controls around applications, verifying the app is not a malicious application that's accessing that corporate data or able to exfiltrate data from a protected app. And then as well, the fourth key piece in zero trust is network, right? Network is paramount too, because if the user cannot securely get to their corporate data, whether it's cloud-based or on-premise, you've got other ways of data filtering out of your control. So with our UM product, we handle multiple operating systems, right? So if you look across the board, everyone's using differing devices depending on their choices or their wants or needs. A lot of times in a BYO type scenario where the users use their own personal device for work function, they need user choice, right? So we manage iOS, Android, Windows-based devices, right? Windows 10, 11. We can also manage the immersive and rugged devices like HoloLenses, Oculus, Zebras, Honeywell, as well as the apps on those devices too. simple onboarding is key too, right? Being able to get those devices under management so you can secure and protect both the data and the device itself, right? Uh, and user experience is key as well as admin experience. So let's kind of dive into the capabilities that comes with the Avanti EEM.